welcome back to another video where today I'm here with Gigi. Say hello.
Hi.
So
I'm just changing my look. I'm poor though.
okay, so we're doing a gaming tournament where if she wins, I'll trade her this, and if I win, I don't know what she'll trade me. Maybe the pizza hat? Question.
Oh no.
Dang it. A pet or something?
I couldn't afford the red fez, but I'm a genie.
So wait, what are you gonna trade me if I win?
What?
So wait, yeah.
You can't see it, but I think I'll trade you the my
Clover
green
blanket?
Yeah,
that would be awesome.
Yes,
No, but like the
trade you-
blue clover blanket.
No, that's mine.
I have the green one though.
Well, too bad.
Dang it. Okay, here we go. So
Alright.
here, I'll request the first game.
No, I
So you
want.
can see.
Oh, okay.
Mwah.
Oh, no, this isn't fair. You're
I
really
love
good at this
Scoop.
game.
I'm so good at this game.
I know the first one's easy.
One.
No.
Boom, 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 boom.
Ooh.
Ha 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 ha. 1, 2. This color.
That. Alright.
This color.
You won already.
First place. Boom, boom, boom,
This isn't
boom,
fair. You're
boom.
so good at this game. I have to think. I'm
No, but
not
I mean,
as
like,
good as
we'll play 3 games, and then whoever wins out of those 3 games wins, and then
but
we'll
if
have a
you-
tiebreaker if like I win, if you win one, and then
Let's play a game of luck. Pairs.
Oh yeah, I love pairs. Okay,
This is a great game.
okay, you go first. Oh wait, I have to go first. Okay, no, good.
Oh, it's my turn. It's my turn. This one and this one.
No.
Pairs is a good game. I like it.
Wait, dang it. Wait, what?
Ooh, what? How did you get that?
Wait, there's a phantom. You unlocked a phantom, didn't you?
Yeah.
Do you remember where it is?
I can't tell you, but just go.
I don't know where.
Just click anywhere. What? No! You didn't know where it is! You didn't know where it is! No! Sorry if I'm being wrong.
Dang it. I honestly thought I was going to get it. Stop giving me all the answers.
Wait, you found that?
Yeah. Oh, wait, it's my turn. Oops.
Yeah, it's your turn. Ooh, thank you, Meg.
Yeah.
Alright, here. No.
Gems? No, it's a rainbow.
Why?
No!
You're gonna win.
That one, and then...
It's that one then. I'm not actually.
Why did you lie?
But you won, so I can't win this though.
Oh, no.
There's no way to win this.
Okay.
So-
Next game. Rock, paper, scissors. That's a game of luck, too.
No, but you can. There's no way I can win.
Rock, paper, scissors. Yeah.
No,
Oh, yeah. So then, so then you will trade me, or I trade you? I'm so confused.
Just put something on trade.
Okay.
Like, a necklace.
Okay.
So I can trade. You just put it on here.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay. Alright. I have to accept, or else it's not fair.
Boom.
Okay, now I'm gonna do the game.
Thing.
Alright, let's do, rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors is so good. I love that game. It like actually is luck, like pure luck. Okay. We can give each other fake answers. I am doing.
Don't like look at anybody.
I'm not. I'm doing
Yes, I won!
paper. Next time, I'm doing paper this time. No.
I won.
You won the first game. Okay, let's play rock, paper, scissors 3 times.
Alright.
That's just
it's easy.
Game of Luke. I am doing rock, I think. No!
I don't know how I'm good at this game.
No!
Okay, now you can't win.
Yeah,
So let's give it to me.
I will. Put something on.
Wait, I don't actually want that because I already had it and I gave it to you just like today.
Yeah, but you re-gifted my thing, so.
Well, no, I didn't re-gift it. I didn't re-gift it, Meg.
Yeah, because I gave it to you, and then you gave it to me. So then I'm giving it back to you.
No, you didn't give the thing to me.
Yeah, I gave you the statue, and then you gave it back to me.
No.
Yeah, because you said you gave me the statue.
Yeah.
Boom.
But then, yeah, please.
Yeah. Wait, hold on a second. Hey! Okay.
I can't say please.
Please what?
Please. So this means please for now on, okay?
Okay, I can trade you. What can I afford to trade? How about me is thinking. I can re-gift you. I already have 2 of them. Yay. Woohoo. Okay. What are the next game? Oh my gosh, you're barfing. Next game, marbles, because again, it's just luck.
Wait, hold on. 1 second.
Oh no. Okay.
Oops, I went to your trailer.
Dun 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 dun. Okay, let's see who wins.
Fast.
Oh wait, I'm going? I thought that was your turn.
Are you gonna?
No, I just gave you some. But it gave me 3! Oh my god.
That's not. Oh, I have to get a good one this time.
Okay,
No.
This is hard. Okay,
Yes!
No!
We're even now.
Boom, 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 boom. If you get mine out, that's being very nice. Okay, there's 4. Oh, you also have 2 left.
Yes.
Woohoo!
I was supposed to get yours out, but I didn't.
You were like, should I be nice? Nah. Woohoo!
No, like I didn't even think about that. It just got really close to yours.
I would go from the bottom.
Or I would win.
Or
I would win.
I said.
I won.
I know.
Yes, I won. I won. Oh yeah.
I'm barfing at this disgrace. No, I'm just kidding. Let's go. Okay, what should we do now?
I don't know.
Here, I'm going to change my animal, see if you recognize me at all.
I don't know, I'm so sorry.
Me's a blue shark. Shark. Blue shark. Blue shark. Me's a blue shark. 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 It's okay. I forgive. It's okay. I forgive you somewhat. I forgive you somewhat. Shark. Yes. Me is a shark. Okay, this video is 9 minutes long. I think. Yeah. You are so sharp.
You are so sharp. Alright. Well, that's it for today.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this super random wacky video. See you guys in the next one of these.
Bye.
Bye.